Hello, today I'll explain how we can make chee kofte. Firstly, we put 1.5 cups of bulgur and we add 1 cup of hot water. Cover it with cling film and let it sit for 15 minutes. While waiting for the bulgur, we chop the onion into small pieces. We have to take the onions in our palms and squeeze them to get the juice out. We put the bulgur, which we have kept for 15 minutes, on the tray to knead. We add 2 tablespoons of izot. We add 2 teaspoons of salt. We add the prepared onions to the bulgur. We add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of pepper paste. And after that, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. And we put 2 tablespoons of pomegranate syrup. We put 2 tablespoons of oil. Add juice of 1 lemon. We knead it well. Now we shape it with our hands. If we use gloves while shaping, it will not stick to our hands. It finished, we can serve it with lettuce, parsley, lemon, or pomegranate syrup. Enjoy your meal.